Here's a new little diesel engine. I'll tell you more about the particulars of it when we set it up and test it. But I just wanted to do an unboxing video. All I've done is open the top and pulled a couple of things out and looked at them. Pulled this little toolbox out and looked at it, primarily to make sure that the crank handle is in it, which it is. That's good because that's the only way to start it, you know. But I gotta say, it's really extremely poorly packaged. You know, I mean, it's heavy enough that it really should be on, I mean, I don't mind it having cardboard on the outside, but it really should be in a wooden crate or something like that. You know, wooden frame with cardboard stapled to the outside of it or something. You can see that the tank is dented up, and that's not a huge deal, but you know, one of the exhaust studs is bent, and you can see it's got a hole in that side and a hole in that side, and it was dripping parts. This is busted, which is just a cheap case anyway, but you know, I'm just pointing this stuff out. I'm not complaining, you know, as long as it's got everything to make it work, and you know, no internal damage or whatever, then that's no biggie. I'm not concerned about the appearance of it, but it could have easily been missing some parts. One of the things I was concerned about, because it didn't show it in the pictures and I was afraid I was going to have to order it, was the output pulley, PTO pulley. It's, like I said, in the pictures I looked at, it didn't show it, and I was concerned that it might not be included, but it is, so that's a good thing. Anyway, there it is. This is not one of the little 196cc jobs that are 3 horsepower at 3200 RPM or something. This is supposed to be 5 horsepower and at only 2600 RPM, which is not a whole lot less, but it probably makes peak torque around 2200. So it's a larger, heavier engine than the little ones that are much more readily available. Of course, it's also double the price, but said I wasn't going to talk too much about it, but I will say that I was thinking about getting one of these 20 years ago, and the EPA banned them from import. So for 20 years we have not been able to get them. So as soon as I saw they were available again, albeit at a much higher price than they used to be, I went ahead and jumped on it. So there it is. Keep watching, and we're going to do a first run video, hopefully, assuming it does run. And even if it doesn't, we'll have an update on it. Thanks for watching.